Top 6 Best Tool Bags for Electricians. However, when it's time to choose the right tool bags for electricians, there are many things to consider, and finding the right one for you can be quite a challenge. Well, no worries. In this video, we will present you the top 6 best tool bags for electricians on the market today. So if you're interested in what tool bags for electricians will work best for you, stay tuned.
This is the DeWalt 16-inch Tradesman Tool Bag, part number DG5543. You can see it has 13 inside pockets, one of which has a zipper. The bag has 20 exterior pockets, including one with a Velcro flap. The bag is very heavy duty. Has a nice strap with a pad on it that's adjustable. There's also swivels on the strap. The top of the bag has a nice wire to hold it open as you're loading your tools. The bottom of the bag has rubber pads to keep it away from the elements. This is another great product from DeWalt and CLC.
Introducing the DGL573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag. Padded web carrying handles and adjustable straps allow for comfortable and convenient no-hands transport. Base pads on the bottom of the bag help reduce wear and abrasion. 28 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 42 pockets help you to organize your tools. The vertical pockets keep tools in sight for quick access. The DGL573 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the bag to help identify tools and parts. The DeWalt DGL573 Lighted Technician's Tool Bag.
CLC Tech Gear presents the L258 Lighted Handle 17-inch roller bag. The L258 offers a sturdy telescoping handle and heavy-duty treaded wheels that offer easy movement over rough terrain. The L258 features 6 multi-use pockets inside and 11 outside to help organize a wide variety of hand tools and accessories. The magnetic folding zipper top conveniently attaches the handle for full access to the main compartment. The spacious interior holds large power tools for convenient transport to your job site. With a built-in LED and the rotating handle, the 3 levels of output can easily direct at your work area, or into tool carrier to help identify tools and parts. Take the shop with you with CLC Tech Gear.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this video, and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.